Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You and various other nicknames and aliases. We're drawing Mario today, but before we get started, I wanted to demonstrate, some of you have seen this before, but how I kind of sharpen and condition this pencil. The pencil sharpeners can get you part of the way there, but the rest of it, you kind of got to do this. So I'm twisting the pencil back and forth while I'm um, making these lines. My good friends, the Ticonderoga 420T and the Pentel Click Eraser. Well, once I have everything where I want it, based on that blue layout, then I go in with the regular number 2 Ticonderoga Dixon here, and I just kind of go over the lines, and this is your chance to go in and move something around or make it bigger, smaller, whatever. Just kind of going over the blue lines. It's still not final because we're gonna go over it with the ink, but you're getting to where it's getting a little step closer here. This is this little cube is the kind of like basis of the perspective for everything else, the background. So just a little 3-point perspective, not really trying to measure anything out. Now this template for the circles, those little templates are pretty nice to have lying around, inexpensive and great, but if you don't have it, you can always use something lying around the house that's circular. And just putting the window in. Now later I will go in with that cross thing on the window is out of perspective, so I fix that later.
Like, subscribe, and share. 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 Like, subscribe, and share.
All right, so this is going to just about wrap up the ink part. So the black and white part, here's the final part of that piece, final picture there. And then, oh, it looks like Drawn to You 2 is taking over here. All right, let's see what's going on here. Starting out with the red, I like that. We talked about the palette and wrote down some of the numbers before we started using these, but I was very proud of 2 here. His precision on this was amazing. I was kind of hovering over him watching this, and while we were talking, he had the idea that I could make a new song that was kind of that Mario World Ghost Housey kind of music, so I took a shot at that. Well, there you go. We're coming up on the end. Here's the final product. So the video was running a little long, so we left out the background, the part where we did the background, but there it is. Hope you enjoyed it. We had a great time with this one, Internet. I hope you did too. And until next time, I'm drawn to you.